Have you ever dreamed of making your own game but thought you needed a huge team to pull it off? Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not the case anymore. With Unreal Engine 5, creating a game as a solo developer is not only possible, it's easier than ever before. Whether you're an aspiring game developer, a hobbyist, or someone with just a great idea, this video will show you why you don't need a team to bring your vision to life. In the past, game development required a team of specialists, programmers, artists, sound designers, and much more. But thanks to the incredible tools and features of Unreal Engine 5, you can now handle almost every aspect of game development on your own, from things like stunning visuals powered by Nanite and Lumen to the beginner-friendly Blueprint system. Unreal Engine 5 is designed to empower solo developers, plus with access to things like the Fab Marketplace and Quixel Megascans, you can find high-quality assets and speed up your workflow to make your game look professional without needing a team of artists. In this video, I'll show you why Unreal Engine 5 is the ultimate tool for solo developers, breaking down the features that replace the need for a team, and sharing proven workflow tips to keep you on track. But why stop there? If you guys are serious about creating your own game in Unreal Engine 5, I've got something special for you. My Unreal Engine 5 multiplayer survival game course takes everything you'll learn here and dives even deeper, giving you a step-by-step guidance to build a fully functional multiplayer ready game from scratch. Whether you're a beginner looking to level up your skills, this course will equip you with the knowledge, tools, and confidence to bring your vision to life. No team required. So what are you guys waiting for? Let's dive right in, and don't forget to check out the course link in the description to start your journey today. Unreal Engine 5 has completely changed the game for solo developers, and here's why. First, let's talk about its groundbreaking features like Nanite and Lumen. Nanite allows you to create incredibly detailed environments, while Lumen delivers realistic lighting that adapts dynamically to your scene. These tools mean that you can achieve AAA quality visuals without needing a team of artists or technical experts. It's like having a graphics powerhouse at your fingertips, ready to bring your ideas to life. Another game changer is Unreal Engine 5's Blueprint system. If you're not a programmer, you don't have to worry, because blueprints let you create complex gameplay mechanics using a visual scripting system. You can drag and drop nodes, connect them logically, and build everything from character movements to interactive gameplay elements without writing a single line of code. This makes Unreal Engine 5 incredibly accessible even if you're just starting out in game development. Finally, the Unreal Engine Marketplace and Quixel Megascans are absolute gold mines for solo developers. The Marketplace offers thousands of pre-made assets ranging from characters to animations to sound effects and environments, many of which are free and affordable. Quixel Megascans, which is fully integrated into Unreal Engine 5, provides photorealistic textures and 3D models for free. These resources mean that you don't have to spend months creating everything from scratch. You can rather focus on designing your game while leveraging these high quality assets. And with all these tools, Unreal Engine 5 truly levels the playing field, making it possible for anyone to create a professional looking game on their own. One of the biggest advantages to Unreal Engine 5 for solo developers is the wealth of tools and features that essentially replace the need for a full team. Let's talk about the Unreal Engine Marketplace, otherwise known as Fab. This offers tons of 3D models and environments, and instead of spending months creating these assets from scratch, you can purchase and even download free assets to customize them and fit your game's unique style. For example, you can tweak things like the materials, you can adjust animations, or combine different assets to create something entirely unique that fits the style of your game. And this not only saves time, but allows you to focus on the creative vision of your game rather than getting bogged down in technical details. Quixel Megascans, on the other hand, is a library of over 1,000 free assets, including 3D models, textures, and foliage. The neat thing about Megascans is that you can choose to download these assets in either high, medium, or low quality, which means that you can use either Nanite for cinematic quality or LODs. It's purely your choice. That means that you can achieve AAA quality visuals on your own without the need to create these assets yourself. And finally, let's not forget about MetaHumans and AI tools. MetaHumans allow you to create realistic, high quality characters in minutes, complete with customizable facial features, hairstyles, and clothing. This eliminates the need for a dedicated 3D character artist or animator. On top of that, AI tools can help with things like voiceovers, sound design, and even procedural level generation. For instance, you can use AI voice generators for character dialogue or AI-driven tools to create dynamic soundscapes. These tools empower you to handle tasks that would traditionally require a team, making solo game development not just possible, but incredibly efficient. With Unreal Engine 5, you're not just a developer, you're a one-person studio. Ultimately, when you're working solo, it's incredibly easy to burn out, so having an efficient workflow is crucial to staying productive and avoiding this. Start by planning your game out carefully. Break your project into small, manageable milestones, like creating a core mechanic, designing a single level, or implementing a basic UI. Tools like Trello, Notion, or even a simple spreadsheet can help you organize tasks and track progress. Remember, the key is to start small. Instead of aiming for a massive open world game, focus on a single polished idea. This approach not only keeps your project achievable, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment achievement as you complete each milestone. Next, leverage Unreal Engine 5's blueprint system to prototype quickly. Blueprints allow you to create complex gameplay mechanics without writing a single line of code, which is a huge time saver for solo developers. Use this system to test your ideas early and iterate on them. For example, if you're building something like a platformer, create a basic movement system first, then you can add features like jumping, dashing, or even wall climbing one at a time. This iterative process allows you to redefine your gameplay mechanics without getting overwhelmed. Additionally, make use of things like templates available in Unreal Engine 5, such as the first-person or third-person templates to jumpstart your project. Finally, playtest often and be prepared to iterate. As a solo developer, it's easy to get tunnel vision, so regularly stepping back and testing your game is essential. Invite friends or post early builds online to gather feedback, and use Unreal Engine 5's debugging tools to identify and fix issues quickly, and don't be afraid to cut features that aren't working. Staying flexible is the key to finishing your project by breaking tasks into chunks, prototyping efficiently, and iterating based on your feedback. You'll maintain momentum and bring your game to life even without a team. While solo game development is empowering, it's not without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is time management. When you're wearing all the hats, the designer, the programmer, the artist, and the sound engineer, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. To tackle this, set realistic goals to stick to a schedule, bring your task into smaller daily or weekly objectives, and keep track of your deadlines. Me personally, when I was balancing game dev while working a full-time job, I had to organize a list of my daily tasks in order to get anything done. What I'd have to do is, at my job, since I had a lot of spare time, I'd write a realistic daily to-do list, and when I got home from work, I wouldn't have to spend time trying to figure out what exactly I was going to work on or what features I was going to implement into my game. So remember, it's okay to progress at your own pace. Consistency is the key, even if you can only dedicate a few hours a week to your project. Another common challenge is skill gaps. As a solo developer, you might not be an expert in every area of game development, and that's perfectly fine. The beauty of Unreal Engine 5 is that it provides the tools to bridge those gaps. For example, if you're not a programmer, the blueprint system will allow you to create complex mechanics visually. If 3D modeling isn't your strength, then the Unreal Engine Marketplace and Quixel Megascans offer free, ready-to-use assets. Don't be afraid to learn new skills, but also know when to rely on existing tools and resources to save time and energy. Finally, staying motivated can be tough when you're working alone. Without a team to share the workload or cheer you on, it's easy to feel isolated and burnt out. To combat this, you can join things like online communities like the Unreal Engine forums, Discord servers, or Reddit groups for indie developers. Sharing your progress, asking for feedback, and connecting with others who are on the same journey can reignite your passion. And also don't forget to celebrate small wins, whether it's finishing a level, solving a tricky bug, or sticking to a schedule for a week. Every step forward is progress, and with persistence, you'll see your game come to life. If you're still wondering whether it's actually possible to create a successful game all by yourself, let me introduce you some inspiring solo developers who've done just that using Unreal Engine. Take Pontypants, for example, the mastermind behind the wildly fun game Punch-a-Bunch. Developed entirely solo, Punch-a-Bunch is a physics-based brawler that gained a massive popularity on Steam. Ponty leveraged Unreal Engine's blueprint system to create a polished and hilarious and engaging game that resonates with players. His success proves that with the right tools and creative vision, you don't need a team to make something truly special. Another standout example is 2-Star Games, the solo developer behind Choo Choo Charles, a unique survival horror game where players face off against a terrifying spider train. Using Unreal Engine, 2-Star Games crafted a visually striking and immersive experience that captured the attention of gamers worldwide. 2-Star Games was able to achieve uniquely styled visuals without a large team. The game's success on platforms like Steam showcases the power of Unreal Engine in the hands of a dedicated solo developer. These stories aren't just inspirational, they're proof that solo game development is more accessible than ever. With Unreal Engine 5's cutting-edge tools and wealth of resources and a bit of determination, you too can create a game that stands out from a crowded gaming market. So what is stopping you? Take inspiration from developers like Pontypants and 2-Star Games and start building your dream game today. The next success story could be yours. So there you guys have it. There's proof that you don't need a team to create an incredible game inside of Unreal Engine 5. With tools like Nanite, Lumen, Blueprints, and the Unreal Engine Marketplace, solo developers have everything they need to bring their visions to life. Whether you're inspired by the success of developers like Pontypants with Punch-a-Bunch or 2-Star Games with Choo Choo Charles, the message is clear. Your creativity and determination are the only limits. Unreal Engine 5 empowers you to handle every aspect of game development, from stunning visuals to complex gameplay mechanics, all on your own. And if you guys are ready to level up your gameplay development skills and dive deeper with Unreal Engine 5, I got something exciting for you. Take a look at my Unreal Engine 5 multiplayer survival game course, and I'll walk you through every step of building a fully functional multiplayer survival game. Whether you're starting out or looking to refine your expertise, this course will equip you with the knowledge knowledge, tools, and confidence to bring your own dream game to life all on your own. The link is waiting for you guys in the description, and don't wait to start your game dev journey today. And before you go, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more game development tips and tutorials, and let me know down in the comments what kind of game you guys are working on or planning on creating. I'd love to hear about your guys' projects. And anyways, that's pretty much it for this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.